Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to the Science Nest YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to explain you grade 8 lesson 3 diversity and functions of plant parts. Observing plant parts. Flowers, fruits, leaves and stem. Those parts belong to the shoot system of the plant. Taproot and the lateral roots belong to the root system of the plant. Every flowering plant has roots, stems, leaves and fruits, but they exhibit extensive diversity in form and function. Diversity and functions of leaves. The main function of leaves is photosynthesis. Leaves are crucial for photosynthesis, where plants produce food using carbon dioxide, water and solar energy thanks to chlorophyll. Leaves are typically flat and thin to maximize light exposure and penetration for efficient photosynthesis. Adaptations for survival. Some leaves are thick and fleshy like aloe or temple flower, adapting to arid conditions. You can see the parts of the leaves: base, petiole or leaf stalk, lamina or blade, veins, tip and margin. Leaf morphology and diversity. Varied blades. Leaves exhibit diverse shapes in their blades. Gotukola, kottamma, radish, mango, kohila, you can see the blades are different. Tip variations. Tips can be sharp, curved, pointed or divided. Nigala, Cobonida, jack, bow leaf, temple trees, you can see different tips in these leaves. Margin types. Margins can be serrated, toothed or smooth. Rose, hibiscus, temple tree, begonia, akapana, you can see different types of margin types. Here in temple tree leaf, you can see a smooth blade, smooth margin. In other type of leaves, you can see a serrated margin. Petiole and base. Leaf bases and petioles also show various forms. Kohila, lotus, bow leaf, shoe flower, temple trees. There are different kind of petioles and bases. Leaf arrangement. Leaves are arranged on the stem to maximize sunlight exposure, a pattern known as leaf arrangement. Leaves are on alternate side of the stem. You can see the picture of that. The example Anona. Leaf attachments paired at nodes and in opposite directions. Nodes are the points that the leaves are attaching. In those points in these nodes, you can see the leaves are paired. Two leaves are there in one node in opposite directions. Example guava. 3 or more leaves attached at each node on the stem in a whorl. You can see as a whorl there are more leaves in one node. Example Rukatana. Leaves are attached in a spiral manner around the stem. Example Candle. Transpiration. Transpiration is the process of evaporation of water through stomata from plants. Transpiration helps to transport water to the upper parts of the plant. You can see in this picture, these are the stomata of the leaves. The leaves of plants in the arid environments are adapted to minimize transpiration. Some adaptations are given below. Thick waxy cuticle. Example temple trees, oleander. Leaves reduced to spines. Example cactus. Thin leaves. Example kasa. Reduced number of leaves. Navahandi, Hirasa. Let's see the specialized leaf functions. Water storage. Some leaves are fleshy with specialized tissues to store water. Example Akapana, aloe. Asexual reproduction. Certain leaves can produce new plants through asexual reproduction. Example Akapana, begonia. Diversity and functions of stem. Stems support leaves, buds, flowers, fruits and seeds, keeping the plant upright and transporting water and minerals. Those are the main functions of the stems. There are some type of stems that are doing some different functions. Propagative stems produce new living tissues for growth and reproduction. Example, banana. Storage stems store food in aerial stems like sugarcane or underground stems like potato. Photosynthetic stems, green stems capable of photosynthesis. Example, cactus. Climbing stems, fixed to supports to climb and absorb sunlight efficiently. Example, beans. Some plants reproduced by runners or stolen. Gotukola udupelia amul ambulia. Some plant species reproduced by suckers. Banana, kalanduru, paddy. Some plants with storage stems. Sugarcane, kithul. Some plants reproduced by underground stem. Turmeric, ginger, onion, potato. Some plants with climbing stems. Venival, beans. Some photosynthetic stems. Cactus, daluk. Diversity and functions of roots. Roots primarily anchor the plant, absorb and transport water and minerals. However, many roots have adapted for additional functions. Tuberous roots, swollen roots, storing food. Example, carrot, sweet potato. Prop roots, adventitious roots from branches supporting them. Example, banyan tree. Stilt roots, adventitious roots from the stem providing support. Example, maize. Some more specialized root functions. Climbing roots help climbing stems attach to surfaces. Example, beetle. Aerial roots absorb atmospheric moisture common in epiphytes. Example, orchids. Respiratory roots absorb air found in mangrove plants. Example, Soneratia. Propagative roots produce new plants. Example, curry leaves, guava. Here you can see some examples for the specialized roots. Some plants that store food in taproot, carrot, radish, beet. Some plants that store food in adventitious roots. Adventitious roots are the roots instead of the taproot and lateral roots of the plant. Manioc, sweet potato, and dahlia. Some plants with prop roots. Prop roots have come out from the branches of the plant that support the branch. Banyan tree, ratcuddle. Some plants with stilt roots. They have come out from the stem of the plant and support the stem of the plant. Vatakeya, rampe, mahakadal. Some plants with respiratory roots. Soneratia, mahakadal. Some plants with climbing roots. Beetle, pepper. Some plants with aerial roots. Orchid, vanilla. Some plants with propagative roots. Curry leaves, guava, belly. Around these plants you can see some more baby plants have come out because of their roots. This is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and subscribe the channel to watch more videos like this.